Alright, let's break down this 5-minute chart. We can see a clear order block formed right after the change of character occurred, with a liquidity pool sitting just above the order block. In this case, I would expect the price to sweep the liquidity and then react from the order block, confirming a bullish trend continuation. As expected, liquidity was swept, and our confirmation from the order block could be seen as the lower timeframe change of character. In this case, we can enter the trade from the optimal trade entry zone, or from the fair value gap that formed right before the LTF change of character. Personally, I'd prefer the first option, with our target set at the buy-side liquidity. That's a clean entry. Let's see how it plays out. The price continues to move toward buy-side liquidity without violating the bullish lower timeframe structure, suggesting that momentum remains intact. Follow for more breakdowns.